Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and I hope you enjoyed today and are enjoying today, as from here on out looks like not much as far as sunshine, as we will see quite a bit of rain during the course of the next week and a half, possibly even 2 weeks. So let's give you a look at the weather pattern, and what's going to be happening here is we'll see these occasional troughs kind of move out of the Pacific Northwest, move into the southern Rockies, and then move across the southern sections of the country. And this is something that will repeat itself here time after time during at least the next week, giving us the off and on chances for rain. The first batch, slight chance, will begin across the area for tomorrow. As temperatures tonight, with a clear sky over most of the area for most of the night, will not be as chilly. We will see the clouds begin to move in late tonight, and as a result, you can see those lows instead of 30s like last night, most locations in the upper 40s to lower 50s. That includes 50 in Shreveport, 50 in Texarkana, 46 degrees for the nighttime low tonight in Natchitoches. Daytime highs tomorrow will be not as warm as today because of the clouds and the fact we have a weak front making its way into the region. You can see highs basically mid-60s north to the upper 60s to low 70s south. Looking at 70 for the high tomorrow in Shreveport, 69 in Minden, 66 in Texarkana, and also 70 for the daytime high tomorrow in Marshall. Let's take you through the next couple of days here with Robbins Toyota FUTURECAST. And you can see this evening we stay clear after a gorgeous day today. Temperatures today did make it into the mid-70s across most of the area. And you can see that late tonight after midnight, we'll begin to see the clouds invade the region with that south to southwesterly wind. Notice a front off to our north and west. You can clearly see that wind shift taking place along that boundary, and that will be the trigger for a chance for a little bit of light rain here and there across the area tomorrow. Shouldn't be very intense, and really coverage is going to be somewhat limited, perhaps a little bit more widespread over the southeastern half of the area. Tomorrow night we'll see a mostly cloudy sky, could see a few breaks over the northern sections of the region, as you can see here. Then heading into Thursday, we will see lots of clouds, an increasing threat for some rain. Now, much of Thursday looking dry, but late in the day, and especially Thursday night, we will see an area of rain begin to invade the region from the west. As I take FUTURECAST into the longer range version, you can see the areas of showers that will continue to move across the area Thursday night. The focus will gradually shift more to the south as we head into Friday. And FUTURECAST has much of the area dry for Friday, but probably will not see the coverage nor intensity that we will likely see Thursday night, but still decent possibility for some rain. That chance of rain will continue into the weekend as well. Now, looking at the overall pattern during the course of the next 7 days, I mentioned those occasional disturbances. Here's one moving across. See the rain increasing Thursday. Here comes another little ripple, giving us a chance of rain heading into Friday and the weekend. Another significant disturbance will move across, increasing our chances for rain for the first part of next week. And you can still see plenty of energy off the west coast, which could eventually work its way across the southern sections of the country. So we could see this occasional threat of rain continue through most of next week. And when you add all this up for the next 7 days, this is what we're looking at. Most models showing 2 to 4 inches. This model in that ballpark, 2 to 4 inches across most of the area. We could see a few isolated 5-inch plus totals, or this particular model showing the southwestern corner of the region. Other models showing that could be a possibility more across southwest Arkansas, northeast Texas, and southeast Oklahoma. So again, quite a bit of rain on the way here during the next week. Speaking of the next week, here's what it looks like as far as your 7-day forecast, as we will see again, temperatures tomorrow staying above normal with highs in the 60s and low 70s. We cool off for Thursday, Friday with the rain around the area, highs only in the 50s. And then we'll kind of settle into the 60s with a few 70s around the area Sunday. And we could see enough instability to allow for a chance for some thunder with temperatures close to 70 Saturday, low to middle 70s for Sunday. Jury is still out on whether or not we'll see anything as far as severe weather. Right now that threat is looking rather limited, and you can see the chance of rain will continue, although decreasing somewhat towards the middle part of next week. It looks like we might see another increase towards the end of next week. So looks like we kind of settle into a mild and soggy weather pattern for most of the week ahead.